Hello buddy, Hunter the Gangster here, and today we're going to be unboxing a Gorillaz CD. It is their first album. Okay, so yeah, we're back. Sorry about that. Bro, sorry guys, I accidentally pressed a pause button. Oh crap. Guys, what is so hard doing this is I am doing this with I'm recording with one hand and opening this with the other, which is hard to do. Hold on. Okay, we're back. Hold on. Okay, we're back. So yeah, these are just things they put. So yeah, I just got this today and I was very excited to open it. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye and peace.